famille. Membre de la famille. Okay. Parents call as les parents. Les parents. Father, père. Brother, frère. Grandfather, grand-père. Okay. Son, fils. Husband, mari. Okay. Mari, relative. Proche, proche. Uncle, oncle, oncle. And with article, it sounds as l'oncle. Okay. Nephew, nephew. Grandson, petit-fils, petit-fils. Grandparents, grand-parents, grand-parents. Mother, mère, sister, sœur. Grandmother, grand-mère, grand-mère. Daughter, fille, fille. Wife, femme, femme. Cousin, cousin. If the cousin is masculine, cousin, and if it's feminine, cousine. Okay, cousine. Auntie, taunt, aunt is taunt. Niece is niece. Petit fille, granddaughter. Okay,